Hello, it's about 9:15 a.m. Sunday, November the 6th, 2016, and this is DelrayVAWeather.com. I want to do a short video about something that is popping up here on the latest run of the GFS. That's the 6Z for this morning. And I want to show you what I'm seeing here. Now, admittedly, this is very far out. We're going to be talking about something that may happen 336, 380 hours from today. That would be somewhere in around the November the 20th or 21st or 22nd. But I think I'd like to show you what we're looking at, and I think there's real potential here that DC may see some snow around that date. Okay, this is what you're seeing on the screen is from Tropical Tidbits. They have a very nice website that allows you to do different things for the GFS. And what I have here, this is the entire continental United States. And I want you to keep an eye on these two areas, two low areas. This is one here that on the 20th would be over probably western Georgia, and we have another low down here that is over the northern coast of Cuba on that date. And if we advance this a little forward, you will see that these lows move up the coast. This low comes into the Appalachian Valley, and this low moves up the coast, kind of far off from shore. DC is right in this area, right where the little finger is, and this is November the 21st. It's clearly showing that there's rain in DC, no snow. And if we advance this a little further forward, you're going to see a period of heavy rain here. And then we advance this a little farther forward and we get a dry slot and nothing further. And if there's any snow, it would be over in this general area. But the thing that makes me wonder about this, again, there's pretty far off, is that these two lows are set up very similar to a Miller type northeaster, and it's, you know, you can make arguments that it's a Miller B or a Miller C, but I want to show you what the differences are here. In a Miller A storm, we have this a low pressure that comes in and goes off the coast, and a secondary low that comes up the coast from usually it's from the Gulf of Mexico, but Cuba's close enough. However, if you notice the track that we were showing, this major low does not actually go off the coast. It actually comes down and up this way. So let's take a look at the Miller B. Miller B, on the other hand, does show that this low moves farther north. This the principal low that's bringing in all the cold air, and the secondary low comes in pretty much a little higher up, a little closer in the shore. This is the one that I am suspecting that we could very well see something similar to a Miller B type storm. Miller C is again kind of similar. Again, this one is, if you compare the two, you have this low coming in close. You have this jet coming up this way. So I mean, it's possible it could also form into a Miller C type storms. There are other types of storms here, none of which I think are really accurate to what we're going to have. But in any event, that's what I'm looking at. It does look like, at this point in the model, so far out, it looks like only a rain event for the 20th through the 23rd, probably. If I drill down a little bit with Buff Kit, it does show some snowflakes that Sunday morning. Again, we're so far out that you can't really depend on what these models are showing. But it's definitely something worth watching, and it's because of these two lows. If you notice, these two lows are almost at the same millibar level. This one is 994. This one is 996. And if this this low actually has a closer in track to the coast, I do think we may very well see a Miller B type northeaster develop. And we're talking about if it is a Miller B, we had some significant storms that occurred based upon that. Never any storm in November, but again, it's this kind of an unusual year this year. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up there. If you have any questions about this video, just give me a tweet at PatPend, that's PATPEND, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks a lot.